A very important development has been made in the legal field. A renowned General Faiz Hamid has been arrested by the Pakistan Army. Pakistan Army has decided to do court martial against the retired general. This is the first time that a person of a very sensitive seat is being court martialed by the Pakistan Army. In past, Pakistan Army has court martialed its in service personnel. Now a retired army officer is being trialed. DGISPR in his press release says that compiling with the orders of Supreme Court of Pakistan, a detailed court of inquiry was undertaken by Pakistan Army to ascertain correctness of the complaints in top city case made against Lieutenant General Hamid retired. Consequently, appropriate disciplinary action has been initiated against Lieutenant General Hamid retired under the provisions of Army Act. In addition to multiple instances of violation of Pakistan Army post-retirement has also been established. The process of Field General court martial has been initiated and Lieutenant General Faiz Hamid has been taken into military custody. This is very important that usually in past the news of the army was kept in secret.